Hey folks, welcome back. Today I'm putting the HOMO FABER 2-inch flap discs that I was gifted for an honest review to the test, but not just any test. We're going to see how they perform on this crusty old exhaust manifold. This is a 50-piece kit that includes 36, 60, 80, and 120 grit flap discs, a 1/4 inch roll lock holder. So how did they do? Let's talk performance. I used one disc from each grit and tested them on small, untreated sections of the manifold. The 36 grit tore through the surface rust and pitting fast. Perfect for aggressive material removal. 60 grit smoothed things out while still maintaining that bite. 80 grit started refining the surface with more control. And 120 grit, that one brought a surprisingly nice finish, especially for the final pass. What stood out to me the most was how securely they locked in with the roll lock system, no slipping or vibrations, even on uneven metal. The balance was great on my die grinder, and switching between grits was fast and effortless. Another bonus? These didn't wear out as quickly as I expected. I've used flap discs from big name brands before, and these held up surprisingly well for a budget set. For about the price of a lunch out, you're getting 50 discs that can handle grinding, stripping, deburring, even polishing on metal, paint, rust, and more. Whether you're into automotive restoration, DIY fabrication, or just need to prep surfaces before welding, this set has a place in your toolbox. I'll link it in the description if you want to grab one. Also, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful reviews.